wanted to give a quick update on the chicks. This is 2 weeks since we got them, and they are feathering out really nicely. They are really active. Haven't lost any more chicks. I have moved them out in the garage. I think we have seen our last freeze here in Squim. But that's the chickens, and they don't like me talking for some reason, apparently. Just wanted to give a quick little chicken update. I will tell you that as they're growing, they are eating so much and drinking so much water. So really the only daily chore I have is coming in the morning and I clean the poop off of the heater, and then I fill up the water. I have to have them raised on these strings, and I just hung them from the rafter above. But if I don't, then they just fill up their water with pine shavings, and their food with pine shavings, and they can't really get to it. So so far I've went through 1 bag of feed, but right now it's pretty cool. They look like little dinosaurs, little velociraptors, especially that brown one. But I come out often and this thing is a complete mess, and I think it's because they're jumping up on top of this and they're just collapsing it. So yeah. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the setup. It's going well. Hopefully in a couple weeks we'll have them out in the chicken pen.